Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a menu icon on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of the screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have. So right now, just hover your mouse over the site you want to edit, and then click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. Once you're here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen, and then here you're going to find all of these sections, and in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. Go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. So just wait for it to load. This is basically the Wix editor. So once it's loaded, this is how it will look like. As you can see guys, if you go to the left side of your screen, here you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. Here you're going to find add elements, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, and lastly CMS. So you can click on add element. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to add a text element, image, button, strip, decorative, box, gallery. And here, as you can see guys, you're going to find menu. So you can, for example, go to my menus here, and then you can choose to add a menu icon. For example, I'm going to add home like this. And then once you add it, as you can see guys, you can click on manage menu. And then from here, you can manage your menus. You can also access to the settings right here. You can set it as an advanced menu by clicking on set advanced. And then here you can customize your menu. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.